Good morning, everyone. I am Aubrey Luby Belaras, a Magsi graduate of the University of Northern Philippines of Tamagbigan City, Ilocos Sur last June 2023. Today, I will be presenting my study entitled UNP Initiatives in Addressing Mental Health Concerns of Students During the COVID-19 Pandemic. This study focused on the level of awareness of students on the UNP initiatives in addressing mental health concerns of students during the COVID-19 pandemic. It also aimed to determine the relationship between the profile of the students and their level of awareness. It also identified relevant activities based on the result of this study. Statement of the problem. This study aimed to determine the level of awareness of the respondents on the UNP initiatives in addressing mental health problems of students during the COVID-19 pandemic. Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. What is the profile of the respondents in terms of the following? Age, sex, year level, and religious affiliation. What is the level of awareness of the respondents on the UNP initiatives in addressing mental health concerns of students along universal intervention, selective intervention, and indicated intervention? Is there a significant relationship between the profile of the respondents and their level of awareness on UNP initiatives in addressing their mental health concerns, and what intervention activities can be designed based on the result of the study? Research methodology. This is a descriptive correlational type of research. 387 college students were determined through Slovin's formula and were selected through stratified random sampling. The instrument for this study was a questionnaire that was constructed by the researcher and was content validated by a pool of experts like psychologists and psychiatrists, and it yielded a reliability index of 4.89, which is described as high. It was pilot tested to 60 students before administering to the 387 respondents. The questionnaires were administered to the respondents and was retrieved after. Frequency and percentage to determine the profile of the respondents, mean to determine the level of awareness of the students, and simple linear correlation to determine the profile of the respondents and their level of awareness on the different UNP initiatives. Summary of results, findings, and hypotheses. For the profile of the respondents, a great percentage of respondents are 21 years old. Majority of the respondents are females. A great number of respondents are third-year students, and a great majority of respondents are Roman Catholic. On the levels of awareness of the respondents on the UNP initiatives in addressing mental health concerns of students during the COVID-19 pandemic. The level of awareness of the respondents on the UNP initiatives in addressing mental health concerns of students during the COVID-19 pandemic along universal intervention is high, with a mean rating of 3.67. The level of awareness of the respondents on the UNP initiatives in addressing mental health concerns of students during the COVID-19 pandemic along selective intervention is high, with a mean rating of 3.48. The level of awareness of the respondents on the UNP initiatives in addressing mental health concerns of students during the COVID-19 pandemic along indicated intervention is fair, with a mean rating of 3.38. The overall level of awareness of the respondents on the UNP initiatives in addressing mental health concerns of students during the COVID-19 pandemic is high, with a mean rating of 3.52. On the significant relationship between profile of the respondents and level of awareness. Age is significantly related to the universal intervention, selective intervention, and indicated intervention. There is a significant relationship between the universal intervention and the sex of the respondents, and there is a significant relationship between universal intervention, selective intervention, and indicated intervention and the year level of the respondents. For the recommendations, the University of Northern Philippines may develop or design a mental health program that focuses on the mental health initiatives of the university in addressing the mental health concerns of its students. Activities to promote mental health well-being and different school processes to help students address their mental health issues. As an offshoot research, another study may be conducted including variables not covered in this study like the effect of mental health initiatives on the mental health state of the students. That is all. Thank you.